Me living abroad for the vast majority of my life, more than a decade of sailing around the world. Being out on the ocean and traveling as a professional chef, sourcing food from strangers and locals on micro islands in the middle of the Pacific, combined with my love for campfires and camping, has sort of led me into this realm of being an adventure chef. Always traveling from the day I was born, so that always felt natural to me, and it's probably why I started working on boats. Generally speaking, it's these local farm stands that have the best possible produce. Grab yourself something that's seasonal and fresh and local. And that's exactly what we did here today. We got ourselves a beautiful butternut squash from my local farm stand and made it into a stuffing that couldn't possibly be better for a seasonal side dish. Always try and find the most local, fresh, real ingredient you can possibly get. It will make all the difference every time. I never drive to the grocery store and buy a certain thing to make a certain meal. I go, I buy whatever looks fresh, and I bring it home, and I get creative. Nothing excites me more than cooking with the seasons. Someone that worked on boats for so long, we always chased the good season. So for me to stay in one place and to experience the 4 seasons come and go and the various ingredients that pop up as a result, it's very inspiring, and it really brings me back to why I love to cook. For me, the real fun in cooking came from jumping off the boat, running onto the island, sourcing some random absurdist ingredient, and then preparing it later that afternoon. And I feel like I still live my life the same way today. Having these local ingredients, I think, is forever instilled in me because of my career as a yacht chef. The idea for me now is to cook as simply as I possibly can. You know, find the food and cook it here in my backyard. Sort of re-inspire myself after years of cooking overseas. I want to take all of those influences and boil them into some food that I can really enjoy. Chicken wang. That's it. Let's go finish the work for the day. Wasn't feeling very inspired for a long time there cooking on the boats, and getting out here and getting outdoors and living in a small cabin, it's really provided some feeling of roots, and those roots are what drive me to want to continue to cook. It's a good day,